These are Sony WH-1000X M3 headphones that look a bit sad because the earpads are quite worn. If you have the same problem, here is a very short video of how to replace them to make your headphones look like new again. First, order a new set of earpads. They are quite affordable. Then use a piece of plastic like a guitar pick to carefully insert it between the pad and the headphones itself. Don't use a metal object because you might damage your headphones. Now lever the earpad up with your tool and follow the edge like so. When the earpad is removed, remove the foam pad inside the headphones and replace it with a new foam pad. The foam pads are different for left and right, so pick the one that fits best. Then align the pins with the holes of the new earpad and the headphones and press them together all around the pad. Now do the same on the other side. Pry the old one loose. Remove the foam pad. Install the new foam pad. Align and press on the new earpad. And there you go, your headphones are as good as new. I hope this little video was helpful to you and you will join me again in the next video. Bye then!